Dear students, welcome to the maths class. So today you are going to study the fifth chapter of your part 1 textbook, that is triangles. Before going to the concepts of that chapter, first you should understand the difference between the congruent figures and the similar figures. Now I am holding, you'll observe Madi, still on the 20 rupees note unto. Then I have a visiting card. Now these two figures I will call it as similar figures. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು similar figures, similar geometrical figures ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ಗಮನಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದೇ ತರ I have one more visiting card. Now I will keep this one upon the other. ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಭಾಗ ಹೊರಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. I will call these two figures as congruent figures. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ congruent figures ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ? ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಈ ನೋಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು congruent figures ಹೇಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ? If they should be a congruent figures, ಎರಡು figures geometrical figures ಗಳು congruent ಆಗಬೇಕಂತಾದ್ರೆ they should have the same size and the same shape. Same size and same shape. If they have the same shape, ನೋಡಿ ಇದೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಶೇಪ್, ಆಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆಗ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಕಾಂಗ್ರುವೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ಕಾಂಗ್ರುವೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೇನು? If the two geometrical figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and the same size. Let's see these two circles. Now the first circle, it has the radius 3 cm and the second circle, it has the same radius. Their size is same, their shape is same, therefore they are congruent circles. If the two circles are said to be congruent, their radius must be same. Here I have one more circle of radius 4 cm. Does these two circles are congruent? No, because their radius is not same. Therefore, I may call it as similar. Now we have a triangles. ಮೂರು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. The first triangle and the second triangle, they are the congruent triangles. Why they are congruent? Because they have the same shape and the same size. And observe the triangle XYZ. They are not congruent triangles. The triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle XYZ because their shape may be same, but their shape is the same, but their size is not same. Now, if the two squares are said to be congruent, then all the sides must be same. If the sides of the first square must be equal to the sides of the second square, then we call it as congruent squares. Now, in this chapter, you are going to study about the triangles. Triangles ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we should have at least 3 measures. ಒಂದು sides ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ angles ಗಳು. At least we have 3 measures, then we can construct a triangle. Now, here in these two figures, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle congruent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? If all the sides of the 3 sides of the triangle AB, corresponding side ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು? Equal to PQ, and AC ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, AC ಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗ್ತದೆ? PR. AC is equal to PR. BC, that is equal to QR. The first 3 sides are equal and 3 angles. Angle A it is equal to its corresponding angle P. Angle B it is equal to angle Q, and angle C it is equal to angle R. Now If the two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles are equal. You know, congruent triangle. If the two triangles are similar, like triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. What it means? Sides are not equal, but angles are equal. Angles equal iruttade, sides equal irudilla. Now, this is the condition for the triangles must be congruent. If the two triangles are congruent, then all the corresponding sides and all the corresponding angles are equal. Does we need ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರುವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ if any three measures it is equal, then we can say that the triangles are congruent. ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಅನ್ನವನ್ನು ಬೇಯಿಸುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಂಗುಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಹೇಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಆಗ ಇಡೀ ಆ ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಅನ್ನ ಬೆಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಮೂರು ಮೆಷರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಮೂರು ಮೆಷರ್ಸ್ that leads into the criteria for congruency of triangles. ಅದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. What are the criteria for the triangles to be congruent? Students, let's see the first criteria for congruence of triangles. That is SAS congruence rule. It states that if two sides and included angle of one triangle is equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ AB and BC, ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. And included angle means what? The angle made by that two sides. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರ್ತದೆ? at the vertex B. Included angle ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ angle ABC ಆಗ್ತದೆ. If this is equal to the corresponding two sides, ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ corresponding two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. If it is equal, then the two triangles are congruent. In this triangle, observe AB that is equal to what? AB that is equal to PQ. Then BC that is equal to QR, and angle B is equal to what? Angle Q. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಗಳು and ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್, ಮೂರು ಮೆಷರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. therefore we can say that these two triangles are congruent. How to write congruent triangles? Symbolically, ABC is congruent to triangle what? PQR. What is the meaning of congruency? All the three angles and all the three sides are equal. ಮೂರು ಆಂಗಲ್ಗಳು, ಮೂರು ಸೈಡ್ಗಳು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅದು corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. CPC, corresponding parts of. ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ? by using this congruency rule I can say that these two triangles are congruent. What it means? AB ಗೆ PQ equal, ಅದೇ ತರ AC ಗೆ PR ಕೂಡ equal. If it is congruent, then must be equal. This is one of the rule to say two triangles are congruent. Okay, let's see the next rule. Dear students, the second criteria for the congruence of triangles, that is ASA congruence rule, angle side angle congruence rule. It states that if two angles and the included side of one triangle is equal to two angles and included side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are ಕಾಂಗ್ರುವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರುವೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಇದಾಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ then two angles, I'll take here angle B that is equal to angle Q and angle C that is equal to angle R. Angle C that is equal to angle R. Common side ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂತ ಸೈಡ್. This BC side, it has the angle B as well as C, and the second triangle QR, it has both the angles Q and R. If this condition is true, ಇದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆಗ ಈ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರುವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ? If the two angles and the common side of one triangle it is equal to the two angles and the common side of the other triangle, then we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Let's see the third congruence rule for congruency of triangles. Okay, this is the third criteria for congruence of triangles. This is side congruence rule. It states that if the three sides of one triangle is equal to the three sides of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Let's see. The two triangles ABC and PQR, and thus AB, side AB, it is equal to side BQ. Then the side BC, it is equal to the side QR, and side AC, that is equal to the side PR. All the three sides are equal to the corresponding three sides of the other triangle. Then the two triangles are congruent. This is the congruency symbol. This is yes criteria. Till now we have learned three criteria, that is SAS criteria, then ASA criteria, then yes criteria. In all these three criteria, you have to observe that they are using the three measures to say the triangles are congruent. Let's see one more criteria, that is RHS criteria. This is specially for a right angle triangle. Okay, let's see the RHS criteria, congruency rule. RHS congruence rule, that is if two right angles, ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡು ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, hypotenuse and one side of a triangle. Hypotenuse means what? The side which is opposite to the right angle. Right angle ಗೆ opposite ಯಾವುದು ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು hypotenuse ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ hypotenuse ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ hypotenuse ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇದರ ಮೆಜರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. And any one side, ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್, ಇದು ಆಗಬಹುದು. If it is equal, then we can say that these two right angle triangles are congruent. If the two triangles are right angle triangles, then the hypotenuse at one side of one triangle, it is equal to the hypotenuse at one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Here AB is equal to what? AB is equal to PQ, and AC is equal to what? AC is equal to PR, and the triangle must be right angle, that is both equal to 90 degrees. If these conditions are satisfied, then we can say that these two triangles are congruent. This is the RHS, right angle hypotenuse side congruence rule. Okay. These rules you have to write in your notes book, that is given in your textbook, that is the page number 107 page ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ರೂಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಯಾವುದು ರೂಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ? 4 ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.